Hello, student 16, and this is ballasting on my model railway. Now, there's my gravel, and as you can see, I've done platform 2 track, and the bay platform's all been done. So what I do is use just a normal teaspoon like that, get only a little bit of gravel on the spoon, and then put a small pile like that, and just use a fine painting brush, just push it across like that, and as you can see, although it's clean, there's none on the sleepers at all, and using the brush you just push it between the sleepers. And when I've done all that, it should look like all of that. And then, to hold it in place, I use this, which is just a squirting gun thing. And in here's PVA glue, a little bit of fake liquid, and a little bit of water. And you just spray it on, but I don't think there's much in there, so it might not work. No, I'll fill that up again later. But it looks really good doing that. Like all across that, look, it's been done. And this, I think it's this Easter weekend, there will be my first run-in on the railway with trains going from both stations and the auto coach, and the trains will be the Great Western Special. It's pulled by either the collar or the 16XX. This one will be pulled by another 16XX. Then we have the small goods train, and there's coaches in there in the tunnel, but they were in platform 2, but I'm doing the ballasting, so they're in that at the moment. So it'll probably be about 4 minutes the video, trains going from this end to that end. There might be a few running on the main line, modern diesels and intercities, but I'm not sure yet. So thanks for watching. Hope you can do the ballasting like this. It looks really good. So, bye.